Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Overton County in Middle Tennessee, Pickett County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cumberland County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Clay County in Middle Tennessee, eastern White County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, Fentress County in Middle Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Beardstown to near Monterey to 6 miles north of Spencer, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grimsley, Allard, Slate Springs, Livingston, Virgin Falls State Natural Area, Pall Mall, Wolf River Dock, Jamestown, Pleasant Hill, Beardstown, Clark Range, Fairfield Glade, Crawford, Pickett State Park, Monterey, and Crossville. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 297 and 324. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.